In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change URL in WordPress. Whether you've rebranded, moved from a staging address to a live domain, or switched from HTTP to HTTPS, updating your site's URLs everywhere is crucial for working links, images, and consistent SEO. We'll keep it simple and safe using a plugin on WordPress.com to handle the heavy lifting. First, open your WordPress.com dashboard and head to the Plugins section for the specific site you want to update. Make sure you've selected the correct site if you manage more than one. This is where you can add tools that extend your site's functionality, and in our case, we're looking for a utility to update URLs across your content and database. In the Plugins area, use the search bar and type Search and Replace. This type of plugin is designed to scan your database for a specific string, like your old domain, and replace it with a new one. It's particularly helpful because it can also handle serialized data, which is the structured format WordPress uses to store things like widget settings and page builder content. As you browse results, check that the plugin you choose is well rated, actively maintained, and compatible with your current setup. Next, choose the Search and Replace plugin from the results. On WordPress.com, installing third-party plugins typically requires an upgraded plan. If you see a prompt about upgrading, that simply means your current plan doesn't support plugin installations yet. Review the plan details, decide if the upgrade fits your needs, and proceed when ready. Once your plan supports plugins, install and activate the plugin so it appears in your dashboard's tools. After activation, you'll use the plugin to change your URL site-wide. The general idea is to specify your old address, such as your previous domain or the HTTP version, and replace it with your new address, like your live domain or the HTTPS version. A few tips before you run anything. Create a full backup so you can roll back if needed. Search first to preview how many items will be affected, and always use the complete URL, including the protocol, to avoid partial or unintended matches. For larger sites, give the process time to complete and avoid navigating away while it runs. When it's finished, clear any caches and refresh your site to verify that pages, images, and internal links point to the new address. That's it. With plugins, a targeted search, and a quick plan check, you can safely change your WordPress URL across your entire site.